When I'm about to give up, wrong side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts.
Bakit late with
Your lips that I miss, those sweet little lies stare at me and make me say I refuse to walk away, 'cause it still fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I got you with me.
Yo! Good evening everyone! Welcome po dito sa Wilfredos. And welcome po sa ating mga nasa live viewers. Good evening po. Punta na po kayo dito sa Bateros lang po to habang maaga pa. Maganda yun, mainitan tayo kasi umulan. Maganda mag-inom. Okay. Let's go. Open mic po tayo, kaya sa lahat po ng mga viewers natin, punta na po kayo dito. Let's go! Kaya kahit sinsunado, wala sa tono, wala sa mission kumanta, punta na kayo dito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Teka, ano magkakantahin natin? Yes. Hey. Wow, ang lamig and sarap.
You'll always remember this late afternoon. It lasts forever. Is ending too soon. You were all by yourself, staring up that dark gray sky. I was changed. In case no one will
dito ha. Sa mga nandiyan po sa ating online, nasa online live. Habang maaga pa. May kulig-lig. Yeah. See things we black and white. I've only got you inside my mind. You know how to make it loud. I lie awake and that you will love my way. I have all this longing in my heart. I knew it right from the start. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love is true. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I need you. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I do. Let me inside, let me stay right beside you. I used to write your name and put it in the book. And sometimes I think I hear you call right from my bedroom wall. You say a little while and touch me with your smile. And what I can say to make you mine, to reach out for you in time. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love me. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I need you. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I do. Let me inside, let me stay right beside you. Oh, pretty boy, say you love me too. Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love me too. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I need you. Oh my pretty, pretty boy, I do. Let me inside, make me stay right beside you. Go. Yeah. She's so cute.
Monitor ka dyan, yung mga request, makikita mo.
Yes.
Louis Legaspi, yan si Coco, yan si Justin.
Si Kuya Chris kaya, kamusta na?
Jelay. Oh, si Captain si Chris. Sir John.
Kuya Chris,
Elena Marie.
punta na kayo. Amalat na ng konti. Hello? Hey, hey. Tama. Hello po. Init. Umulan pero mainit na. Ano daw yun? Softly, gently, I let you down. 'Cause I don't love you in the same night. I can't hold you, but not in lovers' arms. 'Cause you are more further to me now, and I can lie next to you, but I can't lie to you. So walk into the sun and watch me run into the rain. For you the future's easy, so don't worry. For me it's nothing still. I love you for exactly who you are, and I still you can't believe us anymore, and I can lie next to you, but I can't lie to you. So walk into the sun and watch me run into the rain. For you the future's easy, so it's getting steeper, and in the dark that's where I want to be. I'm going somewhere you want to see. Ito po sa ito. So walk into the sun and watch me run into the to the sun and watch me run to the rain. For you to picture easy, so lonely. For me it's getting still.
Now, Rick Houston.
Kanino?
Iski ano? Kanina eh, nakita ko eh.
Sino yung nag-request? Anong request yun? Anong request yun?
Hindi lang meme. Pero, ano ba siya?
Yun muna dahil siyempre maulan na.
Sen. Elsa Rupila, Rochelle Taya. Yans. Pogoy.
Eh di pag inantok, eh di matulog. Ganun lang yun.
Tuase.
Pati ako inaantok.
Jenna.
Matutulog din ako.
Terence. Perolino.
Hello.
Bel de Guzman.
Hello.
Leo Dennis Conti.
Hello.
Juan Remos. Nat-nat ka daw. Okay, pagkakama sila na.
Ano bang kanta?
Hindi ko lang.
Sino nag-request niya? I-request dapat. I-request siya tapos di-request ka ng chichipas.
Basic lang daw yung kanta pero hirap na hirap.
Oh, yes sir. Sino yan? Halika dito, punta ka dito. Dali, pakantahin kita. Dali, ikaw kumanta. Sino ka man?
Breathless, may request tayo, Breathless.
Breathless. Ayun na lang.
Si Yans Pogoy.
Hindi ako kumakanta ng mga hindi ko ba.
Jesse Pespanas, hello. Mel Galapos, hello.
Hindi ako kumakanta ng mga hindi ko gamay. Mahirap yun.
El Viajero.
Hindi ako sanay kasi kumanta
Louie
ng
Legaspi.
mababata.
Jeff Bolivar. Annabelle Chan.
Yung nagsabi naman ni Karita, punta ka. Pakantahin kita ng tusawa. Dali. Let's go. Let's go.
Charlie Joy.
Pwede nyo na ako i-follow sa aking original account, official account. Kagabi magkakasama kami ng bubble gum. The daylight's fading slowly. The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel real. And I can't lie. From you I cannot hide. And if there's no will to try, can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on. Come on, live breathless and make this me till I can deny this loving feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Come on, yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like had a real, although I'm not asleep. And I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave breathless that makes this me till I can deny this. kayo ha. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Oo. Tatanggalin natin yung light. Para ano? Para makakanta kayo mamaya.
Shut up. Nandiyan ka na ba? Shut up.
Ano ba yan? Shout out. Shout out kay shout out.
Christine.
Kega. Kega. Hey. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. Miss ko rin dyan. You got me back, you take control. You move into my heart and into my soul. Get out my way, get out my side. I won't be walking the rest to get through the night. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make sense to me. The eyes of a lover that hit like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Ooh, you turn around, so hard to try. You're hiding under her head, or your mouth is a letter. Get out my way, get out my side. I'm not attracted to go deeper tonight. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make sense to me. The eyes of a lover that hit like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. Oh, oh. Hey, 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 what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make sense to me. The eyes of a lover that hit like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make sense to me. The eyes of a lover that hit like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. Oh, hey, what's your word? What's your game? I don't know your name. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. I don't know your name. Oh, yes, thank you so much. Kanta po kayo. Napagod. Kanta kayo. Wala kang kasama.
Whitney Houston daw.
Alam mo, sino nag-request ng Whitney Houston na yan?
Pumunta ko na.
Gigas na lang. Oo.
Okay.
Kakantahin ko yan. Yes. Kakantahin ko yan basta may ano. Hello. May nagko-comment to. Sino to? Ang daming perfectionist dito sa ano, ha? Sa online. Ang daming perfectionist sa online, ha? Mga laitera, ha? Teka lang. Punta lang kayo dito, mga bashers. Para kayo naman ang pakantahin ko para marinig ko yung boses ni Daddy. Hello po sa ating mga bagong dating na boss. Hello po, nandito kayo. Open mic po tayo ha, anytime pwede po kayong kumanta. Oo, open mic po.
Tayo ko na to.
Huwag kayong mahiya. Papatayin namin yung live para sa inyo.
Galing kumanta yan.
Kakanta ba kayo, boss?
Maya.
Mamaya, pag may tama
Hindi
na.
pa uminit eh.
Pag may tama na. Wilfredo? Oo, yun lang. Doon ba na pumunod pa? Buwan, nakapos ka naman. Nakakanta ka niya.
Yan na yung sabak.
Ano malak yung boss?
Sabak.
How do I
Sagutin na.
get through a night without you? If I had to live without you,
Sige ka.
what kind of love would I be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you will take away everything in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you?
Let's.
How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever oh, how do I live without you? There would be no sun in the sky. There would be no love in my life. There'd be no world left for me and baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything in my life. And tell me now,
Tagalogin dito. Ano ba yun?
How do I live without you? How do I live without you, baby?
Alabas na yan.
How do I live?
Mga madaling araw.
Boss, kakanta.
Bossing ha, kakanta kayo ha.
Di boss, kasama rin namin to eh. Kailangan kakanta rin to.
Oy, kayo tatlo.
Open mic po tayo.
Paikot. Maski baka 10 kanto kayo. Okay lang.
Yun nyo lang po ha. Open mic po tayo, anytime pwede na po kayong kumanta.
Go.
Mahiya tayo niyan. Medyo mainit po spek. Kaya nakanta na, mainit na tayo din.
Buksan na natin.
Wala na pala moderator. Ano pala yan? Sabi ka ako ng
Sabi ka lang doon, kakantahin mo, i-request ka. Umpisa, nalaglag na. Oh! Galaw. Yan, tatlo na.
Anong sineselebrate niyo sa grupo niyo? Mga verses, sige, interviewin ko muna.
Ikaw.
Ano sineselebrate niyo sa grupo niyo pa?
May pagkakasama na.
Makakasama lang kayo. Wala po kayo birthday, wala? Jam lang. Okay pa. Kanta po kayo mamaya, ha?
Sineselebrate namin kasi wala kang pasok kanina.
Wala kayong pasok. Bakit?
Wala no?
Wala na.
Bawal, wala no?
Kanta po kayo kasi open mic po tayo hanggang matapos. Kaya, one to sawa. One to sawa kayo. Sige, go.
Sawa ka naman sa amin. Saka na agad.
Saka na, mamaya, magdarating sila.
Hindi, maganda yun. May kay katungkol.
Hey. It's
Basta
ka na doon, mag-press na.
Saan? Saan ka?
Yun na po, may kakanta na po dyan.
Kaya, may kausap pa eh.
Saan? Ako ba? Ewan mo dyan.
Hindi lang po ah.
Sige, sige. Ingat ka. Wala eh, hindi ka narungkol ako. Dito ako plantay, narungkol. Ano ang alaga natin dyan? Ayos lang ba? Oo, sige san. Ay, Brad, ayos na ayos yan. Ya, bakit? Ano sinasabi? Ha? O sige, sige, walang problema. Pag-uwi ko ng Brad. Salamat, Brad.
Di ko sana pinagmasdan
Mga kanta.
ang iyong ganda
Wala ka.
at tinaing nagsipa. Bawat ngiti may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala
Para maging
ang
live ko.
sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon lang gulo-gulo ang puso ko isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka at sa tuwing ay nababalisan. Dahil ba puso ko labis ng ibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan natitis ilihim ang pag-ibig ko. At nang gawin sa utos ng damdamin, para bangin na kahirap pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang puso sa'yo'y balik. Nais ko malaman mo na iniibig kita.
Ay, gapa, kasi pinansin namin.
Ang motor ko yung pa, hindi ko. Patay ka ng tricycle kay dito nga, dito kami dito.
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan
Ha?
ang iyong ganda
Sige, sige, hangin ka namin.
at tinaing pinagsimpa. Bawat ngiti mong may gayuma.
Hindi pa yung nag-inom eh.
Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw na lang ang aak sa puso ko. Anong gagawin sa utos ng damdamin para
Champion!
Bossing, baka may request ka. Baka may request naman
Si
sa'yo.
boss namin.
Sige, halika na.
Punta na doon.
Dadon, halika na. Kasamahan naman kita, di naman kita iwanan eh.
Tara yung boss namin.
Ano yan?
Halika na.
Yung boss namin.
Tatlo kayong boss. Walang mataas, walang mababa. Tatlo kayong boss na pantay-pantay. Halika na. Oo. Yeah, may jammer na tayo. Then open mic tayo. Unlimited yung kanta nyo ngayon, ha?
Paano?
Gano'n tayo?
Okay na to? May request tunay na mahal. Kaya ba yun?
Boss Gil. Ano request mo kay Toto? Kantahin daw.
After niyo po, tapos
Lapit ko kay Toto.
taga yung
Taga-video ko sa'yo.
Boss! Patry. Samahan ko kasi kapag parang sa lahat. Oh, yan o. Diba? Kakanta yan. Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat at may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan. Kasama ka dyan. Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat sa pagbawi ng loob may darating na araw. Kahit ang bilis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligaya. Tunay na kaibigan kasama salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Hoy! Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan.
Ayan!
Naka-anli ka na dyan.
O, di ba?
Naka-anli na.
Opo.
Oo. Pwede naman kayo bumalik-balik eh. Kanta